Tired of a messy laundry room or cluttered entryway? Let's turn it into a stylish, organized space you'll actually enjoy using. Today, we're giving your laundry room and mudroom a complete DIY makeover with simple, budget-friendly ideas for storage, function, and style. Definition: this transformation is all about adding smart storage and design so these busy spaces work better and look inviting. Why it matters: your mudroom and laundry room are the first and last places you see every day. Keeping them organized saves time, reduces stress, and even adds value to your home. Step-by-step guide: 1. Clear everything out. 2. Paint or use peel and stick wallpaper. 3. Add hooks, cubbies, or a bench for shoes and coats. 4. Install shelves or cabinets above the washer and dryer. 5. Organize with baskets and labels. 6. Add rugs, plants, or art for a cozy finish. Tools: drill, level, tape measure, screwdriver, hammer, paint supplies, wall anchors, and brackets. Workflow: paint first, then install shelves and hooks, organize with bins, and finish with decor. Quick tips: use wall space to keep floors clear. Add a folding counter above your washer. Choose washable rugs for muddy shoes. Use baskets in different sizes for sorting. Cost: hiring a pro can cost thousands. Doing it yourself usually stays under a few hundred. And that's it, your own functional, stylish laundry and mudroom makeover on a budget. If this inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY transformations.